Vitiligo is the loss of melanin that brings about white spots or patches on the skin. No person knows precisely why this happens, but it affects teenagers of all races. Since vitiligo affects a person's appearance, it can be upsetting, but it's not dangerous, nor it's a form of skin cancer. Melanocytes are the cells that determine the skin color. They generate melanin, which gives the skin its color and helps protect it from the sun. Melanocytes are responsible for skin pigmentation and are present in the basal layer of the epidermis. They are derived from the neural crest and synthesize melanin in the melanosomes using tyrosine as a precursor molecule. They pass the melanosomes to the keratinocytes in the above layer. You get your skin color not by how many melanocytes you have, but by how active the cells are. Dark people have cells that produce a lot of melanin, while light people have cells that produce much less melanin. Sometimes the skin ceases to produce melanin. Primarily, this may lead to a macule that is lighter in color than the skin around it. In time, these white patches may spread and grow to cover a more substantial portion of the body. Sometimes these white patches spread fast at first and then remain stable for years. Other times, the spread is slower, occurring over a more extended period. There are 3 types of vitiligo depending on how many patches someone has and where they are on the body. Focal vitiligo, few patches in a single area. Generalized vitiligo, many patches all over the body. They tend to affect the right and the left sides of the body in a symmetrical pattern, like a mirror. It's the most common type. Segmental vitiligo, the patches on one part or side of the body and usually nowhere else. It is the least common type. Is there a cure for vitiligo? There is no cure for vitiligo. Sometimes the patches go away on their own, but when that doesn't happen, doctors can prescribe treatments that might help to even out the skin color. Some of these treatments are things you can try at home. People and conditions are different, so what works for one person may not work for another. What's really lovely is what happened to Winnie Harlow. She said, "Today a kid told me, I think God couldn't choose which color to make you. You're beautiful like a rainbow." Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.